Alright, so hello everyone and welcome back to today's webinar. So today we will discuss a case of a panic attack, and it's a very familiar disorder nowadays. And actually it's not a case of an acute panic attack, it's a case of a chronic panic attack for years now. So let's start with the case now. And so let's start with the definition of this panic attack. It's basically a sudden episode of intense fear that triggers severe physical reaction, and there is no real danger or apparent cause. Panic attack can be very frightful, and when panic attack over, you are losing or having a heart attack or even dying. So this much serious is that panic attack is. So some of the symptoms or signs we will recognize in this panic attack: there is nausea, chill or hot flashes, sweating, trembling and shaking of hands and feet, numbness and tingling, heart palpitation, that's the major thing, hyperventilation and dizziness. So these are major symptomatology of the panic attack that is. So let's start with the case now, and it's a case of a 45-year-old male suffering from insomnia from last 1 year, taking allopathic medications for that, and he start trembling and shaking during the fear, and he also had diabetes mellitus and sometimes with high blood pressure as well. So that was the major history we gave out to us. So let's start discussing the conversation. I used to teach you by conversation, and in this conversation I used to tell the approach how I used to take case, especially in this chronic case, this chronic psychiatric disorder. That is very useful. So patient, I am very frightful toward the physical fight. I can fight verbally but I couldn't fight physically. Okay, from the age of 15-16 of age of mine, I have been interested in sex. I watch adult movies, I still watch them and masturbate. That's what he said. So I asked, what came you here? I feel weaker, I want to overcome this insomnia. Long term of allopathic medication I have to discontinue. So that's the major thing of each and every patient of insomnia. They wanted to discontinue the allopathic medication and take homeopathy. So I asked, why did you have fear toward the physical fight? I couldn't fight with people. I didn't have got to do that. When I see in the movies, I think that I could do it, but I couldn't fight. I feel I am lacking something in me. He realized that he is lacking something. So what I asked, what is the major anxiety you have about? Stress is all about the business. So he has stress all about the business. I sometimes get angry towards my bosses. I couldn't fight with them and answer them back. I have been harassed several times. So what he is saying, I guess, why? If I answer them back, they will throw me out of the business. That's the major anxiety, and then I have to restart my business from the beginning. So he has to restart the business from the beginning. So doctor, I asked, what will happen if you have to start back from the beginning? After working 15 years for the company, I can't lose job. I couldn't be able to restart my business. Earlier my body was fit, but now I had sugar and a weaker body. That's what he's saying. So I asked, what will happen if you restart your business? What will happen to you? So he said, I tried 5 years back. He tried 5 years back. I left the job and tried to restart my business, but I failed. That is the major setback of my life. Thinking of that make me sad. So I asked, what kind of life you want? I wanted to be in the family bond. I want to be in the group and always had interest in making friends and be communicative. So what he's saying. So he also said, I couldn't experience my life without communication and with family and friends. So I asked, why you want communication with friends? Why you want so that much communication with friends? I know I didn't have complete knowledge. He realized that he didn't have complete knowledge. If someone will be there with me, I will be feeling more stronger, more knowledgeable. And other reason, if you wouldn't be communicated, how would other people will attract towards you? That's what he said. So I asked, do you have any other specific stress, fear do you have? I fear of business is the main thing. Other than that, I had a fear nowadays whether I could able to take responsibilities of family or not. So that was the case is all about. And now let's try to analyze it, and if you want to analyze by yourself, so you can pause it down this video and analyze this case of by yourself as well. So let's do the analysis. So kingdom, this case goes to the sensation. So let's start with the kingdom analysis. The issue of being weaker, lacking something in him, is the majority talking about his structure. So his focus was on himself. So that represent a basic theme of a mineral. He wanted to fight with the bosses, but he couldn't, which represent that he has two opposite poles. So he has two opposite poles. He wanted to fight with the bosses, but he couldn't. So that represent of being in a salt. It has the dual nature of a salt, a cation and the anion. The cation which is opposing the anion. So the conclusion, it's a mineral kingdom remedy. I hope you are getting it. Or from the salt group, being of a dual character. A mineral is because he is lacking something in his structure. That's why it's a mineral kingdom. It can't be a plant which has sensitivity. It can't be an animal which has the issue of survival. And there is a lot of anxiety about the business. What does it represent? About the security, about the business. So that represent the fourth row. And there is a great desire of communication and being in the group. That represent the third row of the periodic table I am talking about, the Scholten's periodic table. So it's probably a remedy without we give a theme here is of the fourth row and the third row. That's the basic remedy. So it's a salt which is made up of a cation of a fourth row or an anion of a third row. So what it should be. So here is Scholten's periodic table. If you can see the fourth row, the first column, it has potassium, it has Kali group, which represent the instability of this person. So unstable. I couldn't able to restart the business. I couldn't do this. I couldn't do that. And what were the theme, remedy from the third row? That's the phosphorus. The phosphorus from the material knowledge of our materia medica, we came to know it's a very communicative remedy. He wants to be in the communication. He wants to attract someone else. So that's the remedy of this case. So it's a Kali phos. And Kali phos, we all know it works beautifully as a therapeutic in case of insomnia. So this is the totality I took. This rubric: fear, failure of business, of prostration of mind from business, cares and worries of business about, sadness business when thinking of, fear responsibility of, and anxiety excitement excitable, emulate pleasurable. She desires to masturbate by seeing adult movies. So that was the theme of a Kali phos patient. So what I did, I gave Kali phos 200 single dose first, no relief. I was depressed a bit. And then I tried Kali phos 200 OD for 5 days, but no relief. So should I train the remedy now? But I was confirmed with this in this case. Whenever this case goes to sensation level, I was very much confirmed that it can't be another. This patient can't be other than the Kali phos. So I gave 1 m single dose, and his sleep got improved, his trembling got improved, and after 3 days his diabetes and sugar level also got better. I gave 10 m later a single dose, and in complete 1 year he got completely well. So that was the case. Hope you liked it, and I want to show reference to all my teachers who taught me so much. You can contact to me at nishan25smilebox@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.